Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to boost FPS and make World of Warships run smoother. First, go to Settings and go to the Graphics tab. Once you're here, set the graphics quality to low or medium. This gives the biggest performance boost that you can have. What you have to do next is turn down a couple more settings, like shadow rendering quality. Set this to low, medium, or even off if you're really struggling with quality or FPS. Next, make sure that your C rendering quality is also low. Post-processing effects should also be at low or even off. And then next, we scroll back up to where anti-aliasing is, and then make sure to turn that off. Next, we go back to display settings, and then once we're here, we go down to where our resolution is, and make sure to lower that as well. Make sure you're also in full screen mode, as this reduces input lag. Now close background apps like browsers, Discord overlays, or even screen recorders. And also update your GPU drivers to the latest version. In the launcher, when launching World of Warships, if you haven't installed it using Steam, enable low spec mode if your PC supports it. This is optional but helpful. Clear your game cache, use an SSD instead of an HDD, and avoid heavy visual mods. These changes can give you higher FPS, less stuttering, and even a smoother gameplay. That's it. Follow these steps and World of Warships will run faster and smoother on your PC.